Sabi na kami mga bakla ay walang plano na tumungtong ng langit at bukas pangalawa, bababa ang Diyos at maghusga kung sino ho talagang tunay na kasalanan. Kayo bang nalalait or kami ng mga biktima? Lagi ho nating tatandaan, kayo ang nalalait, kayo ang marunong manakit, kayo din hindi makatuntong ng langit. At lagi ho nating tatandaan, bakla, bading or charing-charing ano man hong light ang itawag niyo sa amin, amin hong gabing ito. Tagahangal lang po namin kayo. Maayong gabi.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Natasha Paragasa, 16, pinakabata, pinaka-fresh, virgin, o walay gipangbutang sa lubot nga pading. I graduated in UC, University of Careta. Gikan sa barangay, kung asa di ka undangan sa laki, kung di ka makatai, barangay Hipodromo! Morto siya.
Garabi man ito kandidat ng birthday ito eh.
Hello, my test. Hello, my test. Julius etes pates maeskres photosynthesis. Halimaw sa mga tae sa bintana. Agtang nangalata, di matata, super balita, ninduta. Maayong gabi sa mga bata o tiguang, sa mga walay ngipon o bagang, sa mga bayot nga murag bakukang, o gilabi na sa mga bayot nga ilad-ilad sa panapton ang tutoy ug ang batang. Maangad na kagabion bisag walay mga bituon, kanindo traba sa rampahunon, ikapila ka ni karon. Iki dito kung show nga go on and on, kanindo traba sa lights ni Dodong Oy, di lang mailhan nga nay naapit nga kagiron. Ladies and gentlemen, the woman standing in front of you is the most natural candidate of them all. My name is Jean Domar, 17 years old of existence, and this is your candidate number 9. Hope to be your lucky number. Sit back, relax, and I'll be back.
Okay, thank you. Action game uban. Okay. Atong pandi, ato ni pasalamatan na atong kuan oy, ato ang DJ karong gabi una. Si B1 o si B2. Okay. So, there you have it, our 9 lovely candidates vying the title of Miss Gay Magpalasert 2022 for their casual wear competition. So now we have our next competition, which is a sports wear. So mga Brad, ready na mo mga Brad? Nalago. Okay, so let's give them a big round of applause. Our 9 lovely candidates.
Pangoy. Baka sildoron.
Ladies and gentlemen, my sports wear competition that I've been showed to all of you is Bato Lata, or should I say Tumbang Preso. We all know that a Bato Lata is a childhood game, and this game is very memorable. As my 17 years of existence here in our society, I was experiencing to play the game, the Tumbang Preso or the Bato Lata, and it was very memorable and very enjoy. And so it gave happiness to all the children out there. And instead of playing internet, computer, or gadgets, we need to play our Pinoy games. Good evening.
Ganahan mo sa number 4? Ganahan ba mo sa number 6?
Tubig.
Nagtigi dyan ang number 6 o number 4. Okay, let's give them a big round of applause. Our 9 lovely candidates for this sportswear competition. Okay, let's start with candidate number 1, Miss Joyce Garcia. We have Mia Macasiro. Candidate number 3, Miss Tanya Marie Madrigal. Number 4, Miss Tony Gonzaga. Candidate number 5, Sancho Chavez. Candidate number 6, Miss Yasha Marie Smith. Candidate number 7, Miss Adil Alonzo. Candidate number 8, Miss Natasha Paragoso. And candidate number 9, Miss Gia Dilmar. So, pass. Where you come from, sir?
London.
Oh, well, London. I love London. Do you know jeans? Yeah,
What do you mean jeans?
London jeans. Are you married? Oh my God. Oh, I feel hot.
Sana all.
Are you single?
No.
Double?
No.
What?
Married.
Oh, married. So where's your wife?
She's down there somewhere.
Oh, it's okay. She's down there. I'm here. I thought you looking a girl, a wife right now.
Not right now.
Why?
I'm already taken.
Oh my God! Can you be my taken? Okay, so what is your name, sir?
Jamie.
Jamie. By the way, my name is Jamaica. Yeah. My hands is so hard. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Uy, kaswerte.